Hey guys, this is Jamie at DeerBunny Farm. We just finished making our blueberry swirl soap. Now we're gonna move on to our Barbershop soaps as soon as I get these in the fridge.
No, you gotta say something. You just started doing the things.
They know what it is. So this is like an old-fashioned barbershop. It's very cologne-y, very clean. It's one of the best fragrances ever, and my customers are going to be super excited about this one coming back. We had to stop making our barbershop soaps because the manufacturer stopped guaranteeing it to be phthalate free. And we don't use phthalates in any of our products. So I stopped making this soap. I had a lot of people that missed it, and I just got word from the new manufacturer that they have brought it back and it's a phthalate free version. So we are super pumped to be able to do this. I already made a shaving soap in this fragrance just to test it and make sure that it is very close to what it was before, and it is so close. It's like exactly. So I'm super excited. All right, this is one that accelerates though, so I'm going to stir in the fragrance oil instead of stick blending it in.
Oh, I mean, she's a spatula.
Paige is just munching out because my husband and the kids just got home from the grocery store and brought frozen Cheez-Its.
But not
frozen like in a freezer, frozen like the characters. Blend all these fragrances in, and then what I normally do is I just layer the activated charcoal on the bottom with the white on the top. This fragrance, at least the old version, always stayed nice and white, and the new version, at least in the soap, in the shave soap, it stayed nice and white too. So I like the black and white with this one. Do you smell it?
Mm-hmm. Smells like a barbershop.
It does. We had this when we were kids in Michigan. There's a town called Otsego, and there was this old-fashioned barbershop there, and our grandpa always got his hair cut there, which is really funny because he did not have hair. I guess maybe the memories that I have, he did have some hair, and he would go to the barbershop, but he would get shaves and stuff too. And they would take us with them, with him and Grandma, on like Saturday mornings, and we would walk to the barbershop, and then Grandma would go to Hinkle's Bakery, and we would always get donuts. And
let's have a surprise.
And the barbershop had one of those cool twirly barbershop signs.
No, it had a pole. It had a red and white swirly pole.
Yeah. It was very, very small town barbershop vibes.
Yes, where the guys like knew each other, and who knows what they talked about. We didn't stay for that. We didn't stay for that part. But yeah, and I had really fond memories of that because then we would drop him off to get his haircut and a shave, and then we would go to Hinkle's Bakery and get whatever donuts we wanted, which I always got an unfilled chocolate long john. And then Grandma also always picked up the butter cinnamon and the butter flake rolls.
Ooh, fancy soap work there.
Yeah, thanks.
Ooh.
Ooh, did that scare you?
No, it looked cool. I like what you did there.
Thanks. It's almost sad because we've got to put the mustaches on. Cover up my pretty stripes. I hope you guys all enjoy them now. Okay, we have super cute mustaches. I can't see where the thing
You're not getting too
is.
close.
Hello? Okay, do you want to zoom in on this one?
Yeah.
We are going to unmold our barbershop soaps and then cut them. I'm going to try to do it all in one frame, hoping that the children don't interrupt, but we will see. I think these turned out perfect. If you close your eyes and smell something, you can envision in your mind what you think that smell looks like, which is the fun part about creating, because that's what I do when I get new fragrances in. I have to close my eyes while I smell them and see, okay, what does this smell like to me? What does it smell like it should look like? Which gets kind of complicated when you have smells that don't, aren't a certain thing. Like, it's easy if you're just like, oh, that smells like apple, so I'll make a soap that looks like apples. But for scents that are like this, that you can't really describe with a few words, it's a little more complicated. You gotta think, for me, it's always, okay, what kind of person smells like this? What kind of person would use this soap? And for this one, an executive would use this soap. That's what I think. Move this right front and center so you guys can see it. And then we've got to be careful to line up our mustaches so that our cutter doesn't slice any mustaches in half. Looks good to go. Oh man. All right. Check that out. Right, I'm going to take care of everything and put these up on the curing shelf.
Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to check out our Facebook, our Instagram, and our website at DeerBunny Farm. And if you'd like to, like and subscribe.